रब इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। हर इब्तिदा से पहले, हर इम्तिहान के बाद, हर इब्तिदा से पहले, हर इम्तिहान के बाद ज़ाते नबी बुलंद है, ज़ाते खुदा के बाद। I welcome all of you with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May the peace and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be upon all of you. Today, on this auspicious occasion, I would like to give a brief description of our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear brothers and sisters, when we think of any religious person, we tend to believe that they are confined to one place in the remembrance of their God, and they dedicate their entire life worshipping their God, and they are least bothered about the people around them. But with Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it was a different story. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, from his childhood days up to the last breath of his life, practiced honesty and truthfulness. He was popularly known among the Arabs as as-Sadiq al-Amin, which means the truthful and the trustworthy. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was not just a religious teacher, but also a social reformer, a dedicated husband, a reliable companion, a faithful friend, and a loving father, all in one. No other man in history has ever excelled or equaled him in any of the aspects of life. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the greatest leader to have ever walked on the face of this earth. Dear brothers and sisters, the mushrikeen of Makkah were very cruel, but when Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam conquered Makkah, in the conquest of Makkah, his companions, his followers, captured all the mushrikeen and brought them to Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, shouting the slogans, "Al-yawmu yawmul malhama," which means today is the day to take revenge upon the enemies. Today is the day to tear the enemies apart. Today is the day to kill the enemies. The enemies were those people who surrounded Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and tried to assassinate him. The enemies were those people who tortured Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The enemies were those people who poisoned his food. The enemies were those people who compelled him and his companions out of Makkah. But did you all know what was the reply of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? The reply was, "Al-yawmu yawmul marhama," which means today is the day to forgive the enemies. Today is the day to show mercy upon the enemies. Today is the day not to take revenge upon the enemies. Such a compassionate and forgiving was my leader, my prophet, our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I would like to share a message with you all wonderful people. The message is, if you love Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then you cannot hate his followers. If you admire Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then you cannot hate the fellow human beings. Cheat people. If you follow Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then you cannot create problems in the lives of the fellow human beings. I sum up my speech with a few beautiful lines on our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. नामे मोहम्मद से दिल को सुरूर मिलता है, नामे मोहम्मद से दिल को सुरूर मिलता है, निगाह फिक्र को ताज़ा शुऊर मिलता है। नसीब कैसा